What's going on, fam? Got a little challenge today. We got exotic snacks. This is a peach Coke. I'm pretty sure it's from Japan or it might be Korea. I don't know. But I know this is from Korea and it looked good. Like, just look at that. I'm not gonna lie, the turtle looked happy. So I thought I might be happy. So we're gonna see what's to this. But what makes this a little bit different is so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna try that. Alright. We're gonna try the turtle chips first. I don't know, I'm excited. Oh, come on. Nigga. Bit. Woo, boy. Chips child safe, ain't it? Okay, it smell different. It look different. I say it looked like what it looked like on the bag. Oh. Nigga, that tastes like chicken. Nigga, what the fuck? Oh. Yeah, I'm giving that a solid 9. That's a solid 9. A solid 9. Like, I could have seen me growing up eating these as a shorty. Like, these are it. Now, you know we gotta have a Bev. Thought I was gonna forget about the Bev. Never, never, never. Please don't burst open. Okay, cool. Let's see what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's small peaches. Oh, that's both ahead. Both ahead. Both ahead. That's crisp. That's crisp. That's crisp. Like y'all want to talk about McDonald's TV static? It's crisp. I ain't gotta watch me. Y'all ain't gotta finish watching that. Peace.